Every single day, your trillions of cells are working hard. They eat, they build, and just like us after a massive party, they leave behind a lot of trash. If that waste builds up, it becomes toxic, and your body shuts down. So, how do we clean up the mess? Enter the excretory system, the most advanced, high-tech waste management system on Earth. Today, we're breaking down exactly how your body filters, flushes, and purifies itself to keep you alive. Let's dive in. The core four meet the organs: kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, urethra. When most people think of excretion, they only think of going to the bathroom. But it is actually a beautiful four-part journey. It all starts with your kidneys. You have two of them. They're about the size of your fist, and they look exactly like dark red kidney beans. Your kidneys are absolute powerhouses. They filter your entire blood supply about 40 times a day. Once the kidneys extract the waste, it becomes urine. This liquid travels down two thin, muscular tubes called ureters. Think of these as the highway pipelines. The ureters dump the liquid right into the urinary bladder, a hollow, stretchable balloon that stores the urine until you're ready to find a restroom. Finally, when the bladder fills up, it sends a signal to your brain, and the urine exits the body through a single tube called the urethra. How the kidney works. The nephron magic. But how do the kidneys actually separate the good stuff in your blood from the bad? Let's zoom in to the microscopic level. Inside each kidney, there are over 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. Filtration blood enters a tiny cluster of capillaries glomerulus. High pressure forces water and waste out into a capsule. Reabsorption. The fluid travels down a winding loop. Useful things like glucose, vitamins, and clean water are pulled back into the bloodstream. Secretion, the remaining concentrated trash, mostly water, excess salts, and a toxic compound called urea is left behind. The nephron works like a master recycler. First, it squeezes everything out of the blood. Then, it carefully claws back the stuff your body still needs, like water, glucose, and essential salts. What's left over is the ultimate waste cocktail: urine. If your nephrons stopped doing this, toxins would build up in your bloodstream within hours, leading to a dangerous condition called urea. The secret excretors: skin and lungs. Plot twist: the urinary tract isn't the only part of the excretory system. Your lungs and your skin are secret backup agents. Every time you exhale, your lungs are excreting carbon dioxide, a toxic gas waste product of cellular respiration. And when you sweat during a hard workout, your sweat glands are pushing out excess water, salts, and small amounts of urea through your pores. It keeps you cool, but it also cleans you out. So, the next time you take a sip of water or run a lap, give a little shout out to your kidneys, nephrons, lungs, and skin for keeping your internal environment perfectly clean and balanced. What human body system should we explore at a microscopic level next? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more awesome science breakdowns, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.